Fiona and welcome back to Crocheting Diamonds. In today's video we are doing another part of the crochet for absolute beginners. In the previous video we learnt how to create a slip knot and to make a chain stitch. In this video I am going to be building on that and showing you how to make a single crochet. So this is where we left off in the previous video. This was teaching you how to make a chain stitch. Now you are going to learn how to make a single crochet. So for this sample we're just going to be using the chain from before, and this has got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So for this sample I'm just doing 12 stitches. You can do however many you like, but this is just a sample to show you how the single crochet stitch works. So we never count this loop that's on our hook, and we're going to be working into the back bumps of your chain stitch. You'll just find that if you work into the back bumps, your finished piece of work will look a lot neater. So working into the back bumps, we're going to go in here like so. So our crochet hook through that loop. We're going to grab the yarn and pull through. We've now got 2 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops, and that is a single crochet. So let's do it again. We go into the loop at the back bump, grab the yarn, pull through. Again we have 2 loops on a hook again, and we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops, and that's another single crochet. Let's do that again. So into the back bump, grab the yarn, pull through a loop. We've got 2 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through both loops to complete the stitch. And there we go. And we're just going to keep doing that all the way along. This initial row of single crochet where you're working into the chain, you may find it a little bit fiddly, but once you've got past this row you won't have that issue anymore. We're almost at the end. And we've just got 1 stitch left. Sometimes it could be a little difficult to see that last stitch, but there it is. That's our last chain stitch. Work into that, grab the yarn, pull through a loop, 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both loops to complete that single crochet. And that's our first row of single crochet complete. Now to move on to our next row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and now what we're working to after the first row looks a little bit different. We're no longer working into that row of chain stitches, we're working into that very first row of single crochet we made. So if you look, just pull this up a moment. If you look at the top of those stitches, you'll notice what looks like little V's. These V's are what we're going to be working into. So let's begin, shall we? So you're going to insert your crochet hook into that stitch. You want to make sure that you've got both loops of that V. So both loops of the stitch. Grab your yarn, pull through a loop. We've got our 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. And that's our single crochet complete. So into the next stitch, making sure we've got both loops of the stitch on. Grab the yarn, pull through a loop, yarn over, into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through a loop. We've got 2 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. That's another stitch complete. And just do that again. And we're just going to do that all the way to the end. Let's get some more yarn. We've just got 1 stitch left, so again it can be a little bit difficult to see and you can sometimes miss that final stitch, but the final stitch that we're working into is this stitch here, so this one here. So we want to make sure we go through both loops. So there we go, we've got both loops onto our hook. We're going to grab the yarn, pull through a loop, 2 loops on a hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops to complete that stitch. And there's another row of single crochet complete. We're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to do as we've done it in the previous row. We're going to go into that stitch, making sure we've got both loops on our hook. We're going to grab the yarn, pull through a loop, 2 loops on a hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. And we're just going to do that all the way along. And that's all you do for single crochet. You just repeat that over and over until you got your project to the desired size. It's got 1 stitch left, yarn over, pull through a loop, 2 loops on our hook, and then yarn over and pull through those final 2 loops like so, and that's our single crochet complete. And you would just keep working in the same method that we've been doing, keep going backwards and forwards until you've got the project to the size that you want, and then you're finished. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have, then please do give this video a like, and if you would like to see more content like this, then please do click onto that subscribe button down below, and I hope to see all of you in the next video. Bye!